Hi friends, today I'm going to introduce a simple video editing software called OpenShot. This may help teachers, those who are nowadays making their videos for online classes. This has almost all the functions, just like trimming, merging. We have a couple of advantages on this software. Number one, this is an open source software. That means you don't have to purchase any license for this. This will keep running as long as your computer is alive. The second benefit is you don't require high video editing skills. Your simple common sense will do. So let me open this file. I will tell you from where you can download this software. Let me open this link. Now you can download the software from this link. You need two supporting softwares for this. For that, these supporting softwares will help you doing some animations. The first one is Blender, the supporting software. Second one is Inkscape. So let me tell you from where you can download this. From Blender you can download from this particular link, and Inkscape you can download from here. Now we will see what are the system requirements. You have to have a Windows 10 32-bit operating system, but I highly recommend a 64-bit operating system because some features of this software may not work in 32-bit operating system. But currently I am working on 32-bit operating system, and you have to have a graphics card driver with support for OpenGL 3.3. You don't have to be worried about this because nowadays all the desktop and laptops are coming with this feature. Without any tension you can proceed. Now today I will tell you how to make a video using OpenShot, and I am going to make my video using 2 photos and 1 audio file. So let me open OpenShot software first. And this is the interface of the software, and first you have to bring all the files related to your video over here. Means the files you need for making your video you have to bring here. I have 2 photos. I have 2 photos and 1 audio file. These 3 things I have brought here in my project files area, and you have different tracks over here. 5 tracks are there, but I am going to use only 3 tracks. Track number 1, 2, 3. These are my files. So my audio file I am going to keep in track 1, and my images, photos I am going to keep on my track 2. Audio file I am going to keep on track 1. And according to the length of your audio you have to adjust your photos. So I will let me tell you how to adjust that. When you keep your mouse on the photo, you will have your adjusting cursor. Now I will show you the preview of the video. See, this is what you are going to see, and in between these 2 photos I am going to add some kind of style. So if you go to the left hand side of your user interface, you will see transition part. You have different types of transition over there. So I am going to select the first one, circle in to out. So that transition I am going to keep on my second photo. I will adjust that now. Now we will have the preview. See, this is the style you are going to get. Let me add some title in the beginning of my video. So you have to go to menu title, then again title. You have a different kind of styles over here. I am going to select the first this one. Now I will have my text. Let me type OpenShot. The subtitle. Let me type my name over there. You can save this. Now what you have to do means you have to drag that particular title on second track, and you have to keep in the beginning of your video. You just keep that in mind. I am going to make some adjustments over here. I am going to make some adjustments over here. So we will adjust the length. title, adjusting length, photo number 1, then photo number 2, adjusting the size. See, this everything is okay. Length is fine. Track 1 and track 2. Now we will have the preview. So this is the view. Now I am going to add something called a watermark. Watermark means the text which will run throughout your video, means from the beginning to end you will have your watermark. So again you have to go to title, then you have to select option footer, where you will add some text. I am going to type watermark, save it. This particular title from your project file you have to bring on your track 3. See, now when you play your video, this watermark text will be there throughout your video. So now I am going to save my project or export my project. It's a video. I will select here my desktop and I will give some file name. Let me give my video, or let me do it my video. Okay, fine. Export. You can see how fast is the rendering. It is over. It's over now. Done. Go to your desktop. I'm going to save the project. Now we will play this video on VLC Media Player. We have got a high definition video. Hope you all have enjoyed my tutorial. Thanks for watching this.